We have been provided a lamp 3-tier fixture. Check online for further details about the company's name. We are going to be demonstrating on how to install and hang up and show you what the lamp light 3-tier light fixture looks like. Today we're reviewing a 3-tier light. Comes with the instruction guide of how to install. Bulbs are not included. As we unwrap the package, we need to assemble. It is a gold color. We have the base and the bracket and 2 screws to take off. We're given hardware, wire nuts, and leads, as well as a tool. Over at the wall, we place on with the supplied bolts. The 3-tier arms, sockets, poles, protected by plastic. By screwing down each of the poles, removing the leads, and placing into the hole. With the tool, Starlock washers, slide over the leads and lock down. With 2 wire nuts, the whites tied together with the white and the wire nut. Repeat for the black lead, the load. With the ground loosened, placing on the ground and securing down. Placing upright the sockets and securing down the gold bolts on top and bottom. With the poles, screw on each of the stems. On the top, remove each of the sockets. Slide on and over and place on the washer back to the socket. In this demonstration, we're going to show you the E12 bulb screwing into the socket. The lamp shade and socket nut must be on. We're all hooked up. The lights are on and we'll turn the main lights off. We have the 3-tier lamp shade, bathrooms, living rooms, walls, tiles, and more. An overall measurement of 16 inches, about 18 inches. The height from the top of the shade to the bottom measures about 14 inches. And each one is separated about 9 inches per. The main base cover is 4.5 inches by 6.25 or so. And the depth is 1.25 about. The shade covers can be cleaned. The gold can be cleaned as well. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in putting on a wall switch, a dimmer switch, and more. 60 watt maximum per. Enjoy your light fixture if this is what you are looking for.